Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this video, we will understand about the menu bar of your website. So if you can see my screen on the top of the website, you can see on the right hand side, there are some options. This is called menu bar or header of the website where the navigation menu or the nav bar is there so that anyone who is visiting your website can navigate to different pages. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for users to find out the pages which are available on your website. Now, how to create this menu, how to add item this menu, and how to configure this menu completely. This is the agenda of this video. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end, and I'm gonna tell you how to do it, all these things step by step in an easy to understand manner. So first of all, you need to come on to WordPress dashboard, and under dashboard there is an option called appearance, and under appearance there is an option called menus. Click on this. So menus is the option that you need to select in order to come to this dashboard. Now, if you have imported a template, then it is a possibility that by default you will have a menu like this. But in case if you don't have any menu or you can't see any menu already there on your website, you can create a new menu also. So here you can see select a menu to edit. So by default there are two menus. The first one is primary menu, which is visible here on the top of the page right side, and the second one is on the footer part. So it is by default created since we imported the template. But in case you are not able to see any menu, so just click on this button that is called create a new menu. So for it, in this video, we will create a new menu so that I can tell you how to do it from scratch. So click on this button, create a new menu. After that, you need to give it a name. So most probably you will give it as a primary menu or main menu. You can give it any name as per your convenience. This will not be visible to the user. So I am saying header menu. I am giving a name as header menu so that I understand that, okay, this is a part of header. And if you want to make it as a primary menu so that the options are visible on top of the page, then select it as a display location as primary menu. And now click on this create button. Once this menu is created, now you can add or remove or configure items in this. So it will now be visible in this drop down. So header menu bracket is primary menu. So click on this, you will come here. Now, right now this is a blank. If I just save it, since I have created a new menu without any items and I have set up that as a primary. So now if I come to the website and refresh this page, this menu will be gone, because now the other menu is there but with no items. Now let's learn how to add items in your menu inside the WordPress dashboard. So for that, you can see there are options on the left hand side which says add menu items, and how many types of items: pages, posts, custom links, and categories. So these are the 4 types of items that you can add in your menu bar. So first of all, pages. So it will show you the list of all the pages on your WordPress website which you have created. You can see most recent, you can view all, and you can search any specific page as well. So let's say I want to add a page named as About Us, Property, Agent, and Contact. I want to add these 4 pages in my menu. So I will select one by one and click on Add to Menu. As soon as I clicked on this option, all these 4 items are added inside my menu bar. And if I just click on this save menu option for a couple of seconds and I come back to the website and refresh it, I can see the items are there. So it means it is working. Now, the second part, if I want to rearrange, let's suppose I don't want contact on the top. On the top means first from the left side. I don't want contact to be on the first place from the left side. I want it to be at the last position. So what I need to do is, if I want to rearrange, then I just need to simply click on this item. So I have clicked on the item and keep pressing the mouse left key and then just drag and drop at the position where you want. So I want it to be at the last position. So I just drop it here. And now if I save it, then it will be at the last after I refresh the web browser. So you can see now the contact is in the last. So similarly, you can rearrange entire menu. Now, if you want to add other items, let's say these were pages. If you want to add post, just click on the post. It will show you most recent. You can view all or you can search also. So similarly, we will add a post. So just click on this, add to menu, and the post is added. Next is custom link. Let's say you want to add an option which is not a part of your website, and it is a part of another website or external URL. Then in that case, you need to put the URL here. So let's say I want to add the URL of google.com. I want to add the URL of google.com. So I'll just copy this URL. I'll copy this desired URL. I'll paste it in the URL box, paste it here like this, and link text label that you want to give it. So I'll say Google, right? And then add to menu. So it will also be added in the menu at the last. So by default, each and every time when you add something new in the menu bar, it will automatically be added at the last or in the last position. Now the fourth type is categories. If you remember my previous videos in which we discussed about post categories, so this is the same thing. It will show you all the post categories which you have created so far. So let's say I want to add cricket in the menu bar as category. So I just simply select cricket and then click on add to menu, and then it is added. So now all these items have been added. Let's save this menu, check it on the website, refresh the browser, and I can see that all the items are added in the menu bar. But if I want to add a sub menu, so let's say, because if you add multiple items, after a certain point of time you will fall short of the space, because you can't add all the items in one line. The items will keep coming in second line, third line, fourth line, and that is not at all a user-friendly experience. In that case, you need to make a drop-down menu. You must have seen a drop-down menu on most of the website, and creating a sub-menu is very easy in WordPress. So what you need to do is, so let's say I want to keep properties and about us under the agents option. Right now, the properties and about us option is separate, but I want to keep them under the agent. So if someone hover on the agents, then only properties and about us will be visible. So in order to do so, what I need to do is I need to just click on the property, keep pressing the mouse left key, and just shift it little bit to the right side, just like this, and just leave it. And as soon as you have done it, you can see sub item. So it means the properties is now a sub item of agent. It means it will be visible under the agent option. And similarly for about us, just click and drag it to the right hand side. Now save the menu. Each and every time when you make any change, please don't forget to save menu, otherwise your data will be lost. Refresh the browser, and now you can see under agents, now the properties and about us is there. This is called sub menu. And now you have enough space to add more items. So similarly, you can add multiple items in your menu bar. Let's suppose I want about us to be a part of properties. So what I'll do, I'll just shift the about us little bit, and now the about us will come under the properties. It means when someone will hover on the properties, then the about option will come. So that by default in agent, only one option is their property, but if I hover on the property, then I see the about. So this is called sub menu or the child menu, right? This is called nested sub menu or nested child menu. Similarly, you can include multiple items. You can rearrange them so that the user will not get confused and the overall user experience will be better. So this was the video in which we learned how to add a menu bar, how to create it, how to configure it, and how to create a sub menu in your WordPress website. Hope this video helped you. If you are liking our videos, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who wants to learn the WordPress technology for free of cost.